Welcome to Physiomatics. In this video, we are going to discuss best foods that can help detoxify liver. Liver is one of the largest organ in the body, and its primary function is to filter the system by converting toxins to waste products, cleansing blood, and process various nutrients. While a healthy lifestyle without any overindulgences is the key to a healthy liver, certain foods can help cleanse the liver. Here are top 10 foods that can help detoxify liver. Number 1. Leafy greens. Green leafy vegetables are high in chlorophyll and soak up a lot of toxins from the bloodstream. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and do not add too much to your calorie count, making them the go-to food. A diet rich in leafy greens reduces the risk of obesity, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are a major source of glutathione. This triggers cleansing enzymes that help flush out carcinogens and other toxic compounds in the body. Add a lot of broccoli, cabbage, cauliflowers to your diet. Number 3. Fatty fish. If you are someone who loves seafood, ensure that you add fresh tuna, sardines, and mackerel in your diet. These fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation in our body. Research says that they prevent the buildup of excess fats and maintain enzymes levels in the liver. Number 4. Infusions. Did you know that coffee and tea are good for the liver? Coffee reduces the risk of liver cancer, while tea, especially green tea, is high in antioxidants. Infusion of rosemary is also found to be very beneficial for the liver. Number 5. Garlic. Packed with antibacterial agents and selenium, garlic when eaten activates liver detox enzymes. These enzymes work on eliminating the toxins from the body. Number 6. Nuts. High in fats and nutrients, nuts are good for the gut. It was found that eating nuts improve levels of the liver enzymes. Add walnuts generously to your diet because they contain high levels of glutathione and omega-3 fatty acids that support liver cleansing naturally. Almonds are rich in vitamins that again help the liver. Number 7. Spices. Turmeric is a magic spice. Curcumin, an active ingredient in turmeric, flushes out toxins and repairs the liver cells. Number 8. Olive oil. If your doctor has advised you to switch to an oil that reduces for fat accumulating the liver, provides improved insulin sensitivity, and improved blood levels of your of liver enzymes, it is high time you considered olive oil as your medium for cooking. Number 9. Fruits and berries. Ensure your diet includes grapefruit, apples, avocados, and all citrus fruits. These fruits are good for the gut and stimulate the liver. Fresh juices are also good for the liver. Number 10. Alternative grains. Whole grain products like oatmeal, brown rice, millet, and barley are great for the liver. High in fiber, these foods reduce the storage of sugar in the liver. These foods help cleanse the liver. However, the key to any diet is to eat with moderation and follow a strict and systematic exercise schedule. Thanks for watching.